Hello, very good morning to everyone. Myself, Venkata Devender. Our project is IoT based energy meter reading. We have taken this from the IoT. Now I am going to explain what is meant by IoT based energy meter in the present generation. For calculating an energy in the houses and industries, there is no automatic process for calculating the energy. For calculating nowadays, one person come to in front of meter and there is some process and they will calculate and give that bill to user, and this will perform for every 1 month. But the main aim of this project is user will directly calculate the energy by using current sensor, voltage sensor, GSM module, Arduino, and some sensors following based on our choice, like as 1 days or 10 days 15 days we can calculate, and there is also no need of the third member for calculating. From our mobile only we can calculate the amount of energy we are using.
Hello everyone, myself Rakesh. Now I'm going to explain the how the current and the price is calculated. The current and the voltage reading were calculated by ACS 712 sensor. For example, nowadays for every 1 month the government is calculating the current. But by using this smart IoT meter, based on our choice, we can calculate. After calculating this energy, it will send it to GSM module. From this GSM module, by using the Wi-Fi module, it will send it to the user comes like as SMS.
Myself Rajmandar Reddy. Now I will explain how we can give the input and we can get the output. To get the output we want two mobile numbers. One is user mobile number to get the SMS and another mobile number we'll put in the meter in the code. We have to give a user mobile number. The SMS come to user from that number which is in the meter. To get the output, that means electric bill, we have to input like as EB bill. We have selected one key for input and that key will be put in the code. According to our project, we given as EB bill. The user want to type that key. After typing, the output will come like as SMS.